It has been another day of historic losses on the markets. Donald Trump's global trade war has taken another turn, with China announcing fierce retaliatory tariffs against the U.S. The Chinese government announcing it will impose 34% levies on all imports from the United States. The move comes just days after Trump slapped additional tariffs on goods being imported from China. The country is also adding 11 American companies to its unreliable entity list, including some drone manufacturers. All right, let's bring in our business analyst, Kris McCusker. And, yesterday was a nightmare on the markets. Today, again, another repeat. We're talking trillions of dollars here. Can you put this into context for us?
Well, the Dow has only dropped by more than 2,000 points 4 times, Cynthia. Today was one of them.
Only 4 times?
Yeah. 2,200-point drop on the Dow. So the Dow saw its worst 2-day decline since June of 2020. The S&P and the Nasdaq seeing the worst 2-day drop since March of 2020. The S&P 500 shed about $5 trillion in the last 2 days.
Trillion.
5
trillion.
Yes,
I mean, it's
like
staggering.
That. Gone.
Gone.
Poof. The S&P and the Nasdaq today also closed to a 1-year low. So they're close to the levels that we saw in May of last year. So think about that. Any progress on markets in the last year, gone. Erased.
Anyone close to retirement must be just devastated.
Well, it's terrifying because this is something that is, some say, unnecessary. It's not like a pandemic where we don't have a lot of control. This is something that the U.S. president has taken it upon himself to do, impose these tariffs, and China retaliating. It was only a matter of time.
Definitely. Okay, so this trade war is threatening to drive up the cost of many items, but there's one that actually might be getting a break. Tell us more.
Yes, so a bright spot here. We're very likely to see gas prices go down in the coming days. According to Enpro, we are going to see a drop of 7 cents at midnight. The price for oil is close to a 4-year low. It dropped by about $5 today to close just shy of $62. And the price for oil, of course, tied to the price for gas. So we are very likely to see more drops in the prices at the pumps in the coming days if you're looking for a bright spot.
Okay, we'll take any bright spots we can get at this point. Thanks very much, Kris.
Okay.
And that is our business analyst, Kris McCusker.